Hi, and welcome back. Tonight might be kind of a video on the shorter side because it's already about midnight and we messed with that carport all day today, so I was kind of out in the heat, so kind of tired. But I think tonight I'm going to weld a brace from the front to the firewall, and then we'll take a look at the kick panel, the old one, and put the new one up, see how it fits. And may try to start drilling out some spot welds. And also got some of that citrus stripping gel, and we'll put that along that bed rail over here and see how well it does when we check it tomorrow. But other than that, if I get all that done, then we'll be doing good, because like I said, I'm pretty tired. So let's get to work. Don't know if you see the smoke, but I think I almost caught the Bronco on fire. Anyways, just got it tacked here, and a couple places back there, but it's sturdy. The whole Bronco's moving, so I think I'm safe to remove all of this through here. But this is where it was smoking from. I don't know if you can see my way up there, 2 black dots. I guess it's on that. I don't know what that stuff is. Dirt and insulation. But anyways, I'll show you what I got in the mail. I got my driver's side door pillar. We'll look at that. These are the pieces that I got in the mail the other day. They sent me the 2-piece, which I like a little bit better. But I don't know if anybody has experience with the 71 Bronco. I'd like to know if the door pillars are supposed to have, see if I line these up, it's still off. As you can see, that's still off here. If I lined up the holes right, and if not, it will still won't push down. It's the same way on the other one. I push this down and it kicks up in the back. So I don't know if that's how they're made or what, but if any of y'all have experience with the 71 Bronco door pillars, please let me know if that's how they're supposed to be, which I don't think that's right, but I don't really know. But I figure we'll get the kick panel, new kick panel installed, and then we'll fit up the door pillars, see how they fit. You know, they're supposed to be like that. It should just go on flush, and if not, then we'll have to make it work. But yeah, I'm glad they sent me the 2-piece, because I got a feeling I'm gonna have to separate the passenger side one over there to get it to fit right. But then I'm gonna go over to the kick panel and start finding spot welds. All right, now I'm going to try to see what the new panel kind of will look like on it. Seems like it fit pretty good. Seems to be a bunch of spot welds, which some of these are for the inner rocker down here, and this goes up on the floor, and that's that tub over here. Oh, I forgot to look at this part. Yeah, it looks like it'll match it pretty good. Just, I don't know if any of y'all's ever took, I don't know what this stuff is. It's like some kind of, I guess, putty type stuff. Maybe I'll show you where it was. We went to find the spot welds for up here on top. It has, I don't know how deep that is, but it's just caked on thick. And there's some rust under it. So I was wondering if I should take all this off, because I know that's a bunch right there. It looks like they kind of, I don't know. I mean, what would y'all do? Would y'all strip all this stuff off or leave it and then come back in with some Bondo over it? Not really sure what to do. I just wanted to get where I can see the spot welds, because I think this is some right here, and it kind of is all along the top. Of course, right here, and a bunch through here, and all around you can kind of see where it's raised up a little bit, and all down through here. But yeah, it's thick. I don't know if they just went a little bit crazy with it or what, but if y'all have any suggestions or anything that y'all did, please let me know. I think I'm gonna start taking some of these spot welds out, and then we'll put some of this on and see how well it does. I need to be real careful right through here. I don't want to drill through, because I'm just going to try to pop it off, because that's where that tub is. But anyways, we're going to start drilling. I think I'm going to stop right there with the drilling. As you can see, I didn't too good of not going all the way through, but we'll put the panel behind here because we're not keeping this kick panel, so it's okay if I drill through here. It'll just mean we'll have holes for our spot welds to go. And then you get a new drill bit anyways, because I broke my 1/8. But definitely gonna take my time on these through here, and these right through here down to a certain distance, because, well, yeah, probably down here, because we've got that new floor piece that has to go in anyways. And I don't think this matters down here that much, because it's not, well, it is attached a little bit right there, but we can just cut that and pull that off. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna stop right there for now on the drilling. All right, now we're gonna try this. I was told to put it on kind of thick, so we'll put it on and spread it with a brush. We'll let that set overnight, but see, I got it kind of thick here, but I didn't get very much right here, so that may be a little bit of an issue. I went ahead and just did the whole thing. I was surprised to see how well it adhered to the panel. I thought it'd just run off, but it sticks pretty well. But yeah, we'll see tomorrow what it looks like and put another deal on if we need to. But if this works, this may be what I'm gonna be doing to get the rest of the paint off this Bronco. So I'm getting tired of having dust in here and using all those pads. But yeah, we'll see what it does. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's getting close to 1:30 or so I need to get inside the house. But yeah, didn't do much, just a little bit here, a little bit there. Hopefully that stuff works and we can use it on the rest of the Bronco. And we'll get this kick panel drilled out and spot or welded back in I'm assuming that's the first step I need to do, is get this whole side here fixed, and then start replacing the floors and the inner and outer rockers. If not, please let me know. But that's my plan going forward, and we'll just keep on trucking. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it's usually on the Bronco. Like I said before, I have other cars that I may pull in here from time to time, but right now I'm really wanting to see this back on the road, and hopefully we'll get there soon. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.